Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yaylin, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Goyard bag from firstbags.ru. They are an online website that reached out to me that has different designer bags on there that mirror the quality of what you would get in the store, but for a fraction of the price. So you are going to get really good quality, especially if you want to save money but you want that designer bag. So on their website, I am going to list off a few of their different bags that they offer. They have Louis Vuitton, they have Gucci, Chanel, Christian Dior, YSL, Hermes, Fendi, Prada. They even have some clothes, sunglasses, belts, and shoes and jewelries and accessories. So I will have all their information linked in the description box below. But without further ado, let's get into my unboxing of my Goyard, because I've been wanting one. Especially the tote bags. I've been seeing like the tote bags basically everywhere, and now that I'm assumed to be mommy, I was like, I could like double it up and use my tote bag as like a summer bag, but also as like a little diaper bag if I need to carry like essentials and stuff, if I don't want to carry my usual diaper bag all the time, but I need a big enough bag to hold my stuff in. So this bag does come with a dust bag, and they did offer it in different colors on the website, and they also did have different styles of Goyard bags as well, and I think different sizes too. So I got this one. I was actually really looking for this one because I love the color. It's not the typical Goyard color that you guys always see of like, what is it, like green or yellow. I feel like that's the typical colors I always see, green, yellow, or orange. This is more of like a gray color. So it's a really, I think this is like the big tote size, but it's super cute, and it's kind of like that shopper bag material. This kind of reminds me of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. It's that same type of shape. So once I fill it with stuff, it won't look so, you know, scrunched in, but it has like all the Goyard detailing. So if we can get a close-up here, it has like all the little detailing and like the wording for Goyard. There we go, so you guys can see that. My autofocus wasn't on, now it's on. So this is the bag. And then also I love that it does come with a little pouch inside. So cute. So it has this button pouch, and I can just put like little random things in here. And then it also has like the back pocket. So I really like that it's included with this bag. This bag is super spacious. Like I can put a lot of things in here, especially now as a little mom. I can put bottles, diapers, wipes, any little things that I need to throw in here. But if you're not a mom, you can throw all kinds of stuff in here. You can throw your sunglasses in here for the summer, lip gloss, all that stuff. Like there's so much space, and I feel like this is the perfect little shopping day bag for the summer. I love the color, very neutral, so it can go with a bunch of different outfits. I feel like it's a good bag that you can even take with you on vacation. Like just nice quality. The handles are very sturdy on here, and it's super cute. So I will be wearing this a lot this summer. Heck, I might even wear it today because I have a ton of errands to run, and I might just need a little bag where I can just easily throw stuff in and get these errands done. But super cute. Make sure you guys check out firstbags.ru. Like I said, I will have them linked in the description box, plus a discount code, so you guys can head over there and shop. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.